Hello everyone, this is PringNdaBay. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be making chicken adobo my style. So first, we're going to be slightly browning the potatoes and the carrots. So while we're waiting for that, if you guys can comment down below what kind of adobo do you guys make. And then after that, guys, after browning it, go ahead and put that in a separate container and then set it aside so it's not in the way. So after that, we're gonna be browning the chicken. So I've marinated some chicken here with lemon, soy sauce, bay leaf, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So I'm just browning it with avocado oil. Make sure you get the chicken from all the way in the bottom first, since it's more marinated, so the ones on top can have some more time to marinate. So anyways, guys, back to the comments. Hopefully you guys can let me know what kind of ingredients you use for your adobo. That would be great. We can share recipes or whatnot. That's how we grow as cooks in the kitchen. So yeah, you could just drop down a comment and let me know. So now, guys, we're just finishing up with the rest of the chicken here. Make sure it's all seared and nice and brown. So here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I flip it. Just searing away. Alright, so that's the way it looks now, guys. Now that I've flipped it, that's how brown you want it to look. So yeah. And then after that, in the same pot, I'm going to be sauteing the garlic, tomatoes, and onions. Then after that, I just combine all the chicken in there. Yeah, and then make sure you use the rest of the marinade that you put away earlier. And of course, with the same bowl, nothing gets wasted. Make sure you use the rest of that juice in the bottom of that bowl and swirl it around and put the rest of that in the pot. And then where the chicken was, make sure you use all that yummy stuff and use that again for the juice, for the sauce for later. And make sure you just mix it up. Mekos na yan ni insan, di ba? So now, guys, I'm going to be chopping up the garlic for my fried rice to pair with the chicken adobo. I'm just peeling the garlic right now while waiting for the chicken to cook. This is the part that I don't really like the most, is peeling the garlic. It's a bit hard, but I tried to smack it, but my arms are not that strong anymore. So here we go with the chopping. So anyways, guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Please don't forget to click share, subscribe. So here I'm now browning the garlic. Make sure to not burn it because it will be bitter. Oh, if you guys can only smell this. It smells so good. I love garlic. So this is the traditional Filipino garlic fried rice, guys. Nothing special, just garlic and salt and rice. So here I'm about to put the rice that I just heated up from the microwave so it's easier to break down. Because when it's the cold rice from the fridge, it's a little bit hard to break apart. But yeah, so that's one of my little tricks. I microwave the rice first so it's already warm and it's easy to break apart so you're not struggling. Ooh, guys, if you could only smell this stuff, my goodness. I am hungry just smelling this stuff. Put a little salt, not too much. And then you're good to go. Just mix it all up there. So that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.